When you search for the best brake pads for your Silverado 2500 HD, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Detroit Axle Brake Kit. First up is the Detroit Axle Brake Kit, priced at $439.52. What caught my attention is that it's a bestseller with over 29,700 reviews, which says a lot. If you want a complete brake solution with rotors and pads, this is worth a serious look. The premium ceramic pads last longer and offer a smoother, quieter stopping performance compared to generic metallic options. Plus, the rotors are built to exceed OEM specifications, ensuring superior stopping power. And here's why this matters for you. If you often haul heavy loads or tow, you need that extra braking confidence. Now, some folks have pointed out that the installation can be a bit challenging for DIYers. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in the effort or have a mechanic do it, the performance gains are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you regularly use your truck for heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick, easy install without any hassle. For the quality and included components, the value is great. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Detroit Axle Drilled Slotted Kit. Next up is another Detroit axle option, this drilled slotted brake kit at $334.29. Also boasting 29,700 reviews, it offers similar features but at a lower price point. If you're looking for solid performance without breaking the bank, give this one a serious look. This kit includes 2 front and 2 rear drilled and slotted rotors along with ceramic brake pads. The drilled and slotted design helps dissipate heat better, which is crucial if you're driving in hilly or heavy traffic conditions. Plus, it's crafted to meet or exceed OEM specs, ensuring that you get reliable stopping power every time. For those who might tow or carry heavy loads, this is essential. However, some users mention that the pads can produce dust, which might be a hassle for those who love keeping their wheels spotless. But honestly, the performance boost you get from this kit makes it a minor trade-off. This is great for you if you want a reliable kit at a competitive price. Skip this if you're sensitive about wheel cleanliness. Overall, it offers a solid value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent performance. Product number 3, Detroit Axle 8PC Brake Kit. Now let's look at the Detroit Axle 8PC Brake Kit, priced at $289.55. This caught my eye because it's one of the most affordable complete sets with a good rating of 4.5 stars from 2,200 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this one is worth checking out. The ceramic pads are engineered to last and provide smooth stopping power, which is critical when you're driving a large truck. The fact that they've passed impact and wear testing is reassuring for any driver concerned about reliability. However, some buyers reported that the pads might wear a bit quicker under extreme conditions. But here's the thing, if your driving doesn't involve constant heavy towing or extreme terrain, you'll likely be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a complete brake solution on a budget. Skip this one if you do a lot of heavy hauling. The value for money here is quite impressive. Now, if a tight budget is your priority, the next product is an interesting alternative. Product number 4, Detroit Axle Replacement Pads. Next, we have the Detroit Axle Front or Rear Brake Pads at $42.59. What surprised me is how affordable these pads are for such a high rating of 4.6 stars from 1,200 reviews. If you're just looking to replace worn-out pads without a full kit, this is a solid choice. They're engineered to provide smooth and quiet stopping performance, which is exactly what you want for everyday driving. They also undergo rigorous testing, ensuring you get a reliable product. But some users have mentioned that installation could be tricky if you're not mechanically inclined. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with some basic auto work, these pads can be a great cost-saving alternative. This is a perfect buy if you're looking to save money while still maintaining quality. Skip this if you don't plan on doing the installation yourself. The price point makes this a fantastic value. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which takes a different approach altogether. Product number 5, Bendix Fleet Metlock Pads. Finally, we have the Bendix Fleet Metlock MKD 2250FM semi-metallic brake pads priced at $87.83. With a strong rating of 4.6 stars from 1,700 reviews, this is designed for those who want something that can handle tough conditions. If you're looking for high-performance pads for heavy-duty use, this is a solid option. They're made with high-quality materials, ensuring they resist wear and corrosion, which extends their lifespan. This is particularly important if you're often driving in less than ideal conditions. However, a few users noted that semi-metallic pads can be noisier than ceramic ones. Here's my take. If you prioritize performance and durability over a little extra noise, these pads are definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need heavy-duty pads for challenging environments. Skip this if you prefer quieter options. For the performance you get, it's a solid value. So to wrap things up, we've covered 5 solid brake pad options for your Silverado 2500HD. Whether you're looking for a complete kit or just pads, there's something here for everyone. Ultimately, the best choice will depend on your specific needs, whether that's performance, budget, or installation preferences.